Hello, everyone. I hope you had a good day. Today, we are again come back to see about short A sound. In the previous class, we have said that A have five main sounds. The first one is what we call short A sound. So, in the previous class, we have said that short A sound sounded or pronounced as A. That means the same with the sound that A have in a word that says cat. The same with in a word that says man. Therefore, short A sound means when the sound of A became or pronounced as A. So today, let's see one important point on the behalf of short A sound. Short A sound rule. The rule means when to read A as A. That's this rule explain for us when to read the A sound as a short A sound, okay? That means when we read A as A. So let's come. In a word of one syllable, if a letter A is followed by a single consonant or more than one consonant, and those consonants that followed or that follows A or that A is followed by close the word. That means, let's see here. In a word of one syllable, that means when also a word has one consonant, okay? Let's see the word that says cat. Here we have C, here we have A, and here we have T. Therefore, first we have to see that how many syllables this word has. So here, this word has one syllable. That means when we say cat, it is a single syllable word. Therefore, let's come to here and see. When we see here, when we look at here, we have one vowel, and that vowel is A. Therefore, this means we have C, A, and T. Yeah? Therefore, in a word of one syllable here, this A is followed by what? By T. That means it's followed by a single consonant. And also, this T closes this word. Yeah? Therefore, we have to pronounce this A as is short A sound. That means as A. Therefore, when we see here, let's see here. In a word that says cat, A plus T, we say at. And when C comes here, we say cat. Let's see. Heart, bag, dad, can, lag, sag, man, jam, dam, ram, what, clap. Therefore here, all the sound that we are hearing is short A sound. That means A. Therefore, you have to know that when you in a word of one syllable, one vowel appears and that vowel is followed by a single consonant or more than one consonant, and those consonants close that word. That vowel gonna be pronounced as its short sound. Here we see when A is followed by a single consonant, yeah? Here also T, here T, here G, here D, and here N, here G, here also G, and N, N, M, M, T, and P. So, what I'm saying is that here also is followed by only one consonant, the same with all of the words. Therefore, in a single syllable word, when one vowel or a single vowel is appear and is followed by a single consonant or more than one consonant, that vowel sound gonna be pronounced as its short sound. Okay, what about when A or a vowel is followed by more than one consonant? Let's see here. Here we have a one syllable word, but we have two consonants. That's A is followed by, yeah. Therefore, we have B here, we have L here, we have A, we have C, we have K. Therefore, here, the only vowel that we have is A. And here A is followed by two consonants that are C and K. Therefore, we're going to read this A as a short sound. Its short sound is A. Therefore, we call this one black. Here also we have two consonants, crack. Here also the same, track. And here also crash, cash, camp, bank, sank, mango, hunt. Therefore, we are all here. The sound of A here is short sound. This rule is called closed syllable rule. Again, this rule is a closed syllable rule. Okay? And it states that in a word of one syllable, if a letter A is followed by a single consonant or more, and those consonants close like this, a word, the sound of the vowel becomes short sound. Therefore, here we have a vowel A, yeah? Therefore, it's going to take what? It's short sound, that is ah. Therefore, this is when we pronounce A as ah. Thank you for listening us. I hope you all enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and also touch the button of notification. Have a good time.